Welcome guys to Outdoor Adventure Boys and Farming Boys 88. Today we're going to go on a duck hunt. And we actually already looked at Rolking, if you can see here. Can you see it? Yeah, they see it. We were looking at Rolking. They didn't have any ducks. So we're going to go to, where are we going?
Tractor Supply.
We're going to Tractor Supply. And guess who's with us? The whole crew.
Me and Gracie want the ducks.
Yeah, them two want the ducks. And then me and him are just gonna just aimed for making a video. That's the only reason.
You're just along for the ride, huh?
Yeah, along for the ride. So we're heading to Batesville.
I'm gonna let you know how it goes.
Yep. See you.
See you on the next video, right?
See ya in a couple 30 minutes. See ya. Alright guys, we're at Tractor Supply and we're gonna go and get some chickies. So.
Oh man. Cool. Alrighty. All right, back up.
I'll try to reach in there and kick one.
Let him grab a couple.
Okay. They're so adorable. Now see, he didn't fight with me like he didn't want to get picked up. He just was like, yeah, you can pick me up.
He must have wanted to come home with us.
You want a ducky? You want a ducky?
Okay. And now,
And
I'll
ducky.
reach in for another one.
Okay, I'll show you them later.
They're
want
cute
some
as the
myself.
baby.
We got two at home, so.
Okay, there you are.
Yeah, we're looking for the one that.
Hello guys, today we bought 3. Nathan wanted one. I didn't want one, so. But that's pretty much all. We got our duck spot. We got an F250. Pretty nice, actually. Hi guys. You want me guys to show you the ducks?
The ducks are in the back seat. They have them.
Shut up.
Grace, Dad, can I show them the ducks?
Shut up. Show
We'll show you later.
We'll show you at home.
Yeah, we'll show you at the house when we're unboxing them. But
They're so cute. We got 3 of them.
so far, thanks for
Because he
watching.
wanted one.
Actually, no, we'll show you in a different video, okay? We'll show you in a short, okay, right? Let's show them in a short.
Yeah, we're going to show you guys.
We'll show you in a short. Make sure to like and subscribe. Watch my videos. Bye.